Yo, what's up? This is going to be a trade recap of January 7th, 2026. This is Wednesday. I believe this is an ADP day. NFP week. We have NFP on Friday. But we are down 415 on the day. What screen is it sharing? Oh, there it is. 415 on the eval. Lucid eval, 50% off. I got it it was a new customer discount. But anyway, little bit of a confusing day for me, I'm not gonna lie. I was bullish. I had a bullish bias for today. Just because we tapped into this order block here. And then we longed up. I should probably delete everything down here. And then we come like almost like inverse this daily Sibi. But like I don't know, I kinda ruled this as a bullish indicator. Holy shit, holy doji. And we also I marked this daily. We press this down here. Why did that move? I should probably write that. But anyway, I marked that as a daily order block, and we did come up to it. I was bullish until we came up to that daily order block. Gnarly. So I was gonna be bullish on the day until we came up to this daily order block, and then I'd be looking for some sort of short. We also respected a lot of PD arrays down here on their way up. It was just like we just looked so bullish. I don't know. And despite that, I took mother flipping shorts. So here I missed entry. I was wondering why this leg here was kind of, I don't know, out of the ordinary. I was looking for like some sort of inversion or a like institutional order flow entry drill, but it just didn't show up. So I see this leg, and then we inverse this one, and I'm like, what the hell? I'm not gonna take this short. I'm looking for longs. Then we reach down into this 1 minute, and then we respect it, and I'm like, okay, interesting. I'm gonna take this inversion, and then we kind of just like displace higher, and I'm like, oh fuck, I'm not liking that risk. Even though I'm pretty sure it would have been pretty good risk. Yeah, that's like normal risk for me. I don't know why I didn't take it, but yeah, I just faded that trade. That long would have been a good long. We had some buy side up here, so I didn't mark it. I deleted it after we took it, but after that, the assets were heavily uncorrelated, discorrelated, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Because once we were ranging here, ES was just like, or ES just made an SMT, and what I did is I took a inversion short right at NWAG. Was it here, motherfucker? Something like that. Took it there, put my stop there. I was like, okay, I'm not risking much. I'm just gonna do a one-to-one, quick one-to-one scalp. I'm not really into shorts today, and I still got stopped out. I was like, okay, whatever, that's fine. Didn't risk that much. But ES, I was so stubborn to move to ES, but ES made an SMT, or we just made an SMT, and ES dumped, and we actually ended up taking a bunch of these lows here. This was my key liquidity point here, key sell side. We didn't end up taking it, but I was like, damn, dude, I should have fucking taken it. Anyway, after that, I was like, all right, because they were so fucking uncorrelated, correlated assets, I was questioning whether NQ was lagging behind ES or if NQ was waiting for ES to hit a key level and then rally up. So I was like wondering, like, okay, if ES continues to go lower, which it did here, I was like, okay, I think we're gonna go lower. I'm gonna short, and I shorted here again somewhere. Where the flip did I short? I have my screen right here. Okay, yeah. Shorted here on this Giga candle. I believe stop was. Why did I move my stop? Did I trail my stop? Don't remember. I believe stop was there. It says I got 20. What? Weird. Anyway, and then my TP was actually like here, but I was watching ES just in case ES took this low here first, and then if it did, I would have just closed my trade right then and there, but it didn't. We actually just went up, and I didn't get to go break even, unfortunately. So yeah, there's that. And then after that, I was still looking at ES. I was like, okay, maybe I should start taking trades on ES now. I got fucked over on NQ twice. Don't know what's going on here. NQ is waiting for something, uh, and ES is delivering in price. ES had very clear movement today, so I ended up taking a long. I believe we had a 5-minute inversion. Where the flippington are we? Yeah, we had a So we had an inversion here. I believe I took it up here. I was like, it was super risky, but ES I feel like innately is less risky than NQ. Throughout my days of trading ES, I started with ES. It was just inherently less risk, right? So you could fully risk with ES in my opinion, but we came up to this high, and I believe NQ took the high too. So we had another SMT. So I went break even, and I got break even on this trade, but we instantly dumped, and I got filled right at my entry, so I couldn't even make up for fees, which was okay. I was like, okay, at least we didn't lose anything. But after that, I was done with the trades. I was like, okay, 2 losses, 1 break even. I'm clearly not in line with the market today, and I missed. I was looking at longs in AM, or sorry, lunch hour. Lunch delivers. I don't know. Lunch session has just been good lately. Where the fuck are we? Lost. Here we go. We had a 3-minute version here, and they're actually stacked. So let me see. Was it a 4-minute maybe perhaps? 5-minute. I don't know. I feel like any of those are kind of late entries. Like taking entries pretty early, but I probably would have taken entry here if I was still looking for trades. If I didn't screw over my 2-trade policy, my 2-trade rule, like break even there, and we had some more buy side. I think it was like here somewhere, and that would have been a good place to stop. Maybe end up break even on the day, but nope. It is what it is though. It is NFP week, so anything before NFP is said to be choppy. So I guess it's kind of my fault taking a trade here. Anyway, that's kind of it. Hoping tomorrow will deliver. Hoping tomorrow I can score some bangers of a trade. And yeah, I'm bullish for this week. Bullish for this week. Maybe we'll have TGIF on Friday and retrace this movement here. But I don't want it to do that because I'm bullish. Anyway, that's it.